Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your VW Passat oil light. Keeping up with your vehicle's maintenance is crucial, and sometimes that includes knowing how to handle dashboard indicators. The oil service light reminds you it's time for an oil change or service. We'll cover two straightforward methods to turn off this light, ensuring your Passat's dashboard is clear and ready for the road ahead. First, let's go over the manual reset method, which is often the quickest way. Begin by turning your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, locate and press the trip odometer reset button, holding it down for about 10 to 15 seconds. You should see the service message appear, then disappear. Once it's gone, release the button and turn off the ignition. This should successfully reset the light. For those who have access to an OBD2 scan tool, this method offers another reliable way to reset the oil light. Plug your scan tool into the diagnostic port, usually found under the dashboard on the driver's side. Power on the tool and navigate through its menu to find the service reset or oil light reset function. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the reset. Once complete, safely disconnect the tool, and your light should be off. Before resetting any service light, it is absolutely crucial to ensure that the actual oil change and necessary maintenance have been performed. Resetting the light without servicing your vehicle can lead to serious engine damage. Always use the manufacturer-recommended oil and filter for your Passat. If the light returns shortly after a proper reset and service, it indicates a deeper issue that requires professional attention. Stay safe and keep up with your vehicle's health.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.